Got some turbo parts for sale here. Start up here. This is 931 turbine housing. It's got a bolt stuck in it, but I can get it out if you need it. This is a K26/6 951 turbine housing. This is an Audi turbine housing, 4-bolt flange. It fits the same turbines as the 931. Here's a 931 bearing housing. Here's an Audi bearing housing with water cool that can probably be worked with the 931. The oil drain bolts up the same, or the oil feed. Here's a 951 K26/6. No, this is the Audi one. This is the Audi one with the water cooled. This is the 951 K26/6. Couple extra pieces. Anyway, yeah, 931, 951, Audi. Think you can probably use any of them on 931. They'll probably bolt up, and where it goes to the oil feed is pretty much the same. It's probably that way up. And we got some turbines. This is a 931 or 951 Turbo S turbine wheel and shaft. This is another one. These will fit 931s or the late 951 250 horsepower version. This is the early 951 K26/6 turbine. You can see fits all the way in. And here's the bigger one, so you don't quite go all the way in. It's a little bit bigger turbines on the Turbo S and the 931. And here we have a 2660 931 compressor housing with a pop-off valve in it. It's in good shape. And here's one for a 2664, the earlier US turbo with a little bit bigger compressor. It's got the pop-off valve in it. It's in good shape. And here is an Audi compressor housing that fits the 931 2664 compressor wheel. So you can build an intake like mine. And I've got some backing plates and some compressor side back plates. You can see they got a little bit different size bearings in some of them. I forget which one's which, but whatever you put together, you just got to have the right compressor side piston and backing plate. That way they'll seal up. Yeah, all this stuff's for sale. These turbines are a little hard to come by, though. I mean, you basically got to buy a whole nother turbo to scavenge one of these things out of. So they're kind of near and dear, but all the rest of this stuff, let me know.